tomorrow is Monday. बस यही बोलूँ कि sometimes I get ready, okay, and I am standing in front of a mirror और मुझे देख के लगता है कि क्या माल लग रहा है.
When you put in the effort to get ready, you
Not put in the effort. You do put in effort at times, but आपकी पिक्चर्स भी उतनी अच्छी नहीं आती. समझ लो आप अच्छे लग रहे होते हो बट आपकी पिक्चर्स अच्छी नहीं आती. That's the
a whole
saddest
different
day.
story. You know what I'm trying to say is that when you do put in the effort to get ready, and then you look at yourself in the mirror, so
And then
you
feel like
obviously
fucking yourself.
the fuck, man.
And I just made a reel on Instagram, which basically is sort of interesting and is closer to me. I can also sort of discuss. जिसमें मैं बात कर रही हूँ कि nothing beats a tattoo holiday, and some of the things are really close. Like, yeah, in life there are so many things that sort of beats tattoo holiday. Like seeing your enemies fall down without you being there. Like आप तो अच्छा ही चाहते हो पर अब उसका डाउनफॉल हो रहा है और आप देख रहे हो अपनी आंखों से. लाइक उसमें तो यू कांट डू एनीथिंग. sort of satisfying. Something comes up like बोला था ना. And then also there was this thing, हाँ भाई मजाक से हटके कितनी बार होता है सोशल एंजाइटी होती है और उस टाइम पे वर्ड्स, मैं कह रही हूँ बेसिक वर्ड्स भी गलत निकल जाते हैं. और इमेजिन करो कोई कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सा वर्ड एकदम करेक्टली निकल जाए when the room is full of people. Orgasm. And also like what else? Losing your spark. Bhai, when you're heartbroken or when someone cheats on you, when a guy sort of just ghosts you, और आपका spark चला जाता है. You basically become Keith from जब we met. And जब आपका वो spark वापस आता है ना, वो जो feeling है, that definitely beats tattoo holiday. What else beats tattoo holiday? When you tick mark all of your job list, when you make a job list and उस दिन आप टिक कर देते हो रोज तो बनने से रही. When you sleep exactly the hours you needed, like not ज़्यादा. There are times जब मैं 12-14 घंटे सो जाती हूँ and then I feel so sad, like कल से I've been sleeping so much and my neck hurts, everything hurts in my body and it's so I want to sleep exactly 7 hours, which is sort of fine for me. Also like going to the workout without missing, like without excuses. I mean आ जाते हैं excuses, उसका तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते, but definitely like going to the workout and nailing at it. A good legs day would beat anything, would beat any like hundreds jet to holidays. When you cook something delicious but it's healthy at the same time. When it's a good hair day. When you're trying to say something and the other person sort of knows without even you speaking a word. That's a jet to holiday. I think a lot of things are jet to holiday in life. We sort of not realize. जैसे वो बोलता है ना एंडी फ्रॉम द ऑफिस कि वी नेवर नो. हाँ मतलब बेसिकली यही था कि हमें कभी पता नहीं चलता कि वो ओल्ड गुड डेज होते हैं लाइक जिसमें हम एक्चुअली एंजॉय कर रहे होते हैं. लाइक वी नेवर नो अबाउट इट. अजीब सी लाइफ है यार. सम डेज तो आई फील लाइक सो फुल ऑफ लाइफ बट सम डेज आई फील सो पैथेटिक. Fuck it.